like your bra. Thanks, I got it from my very best friend. Kissed her once in high school and then never again. Drugs and money, who's between your covers, wouldn't matter to me one way or the other. When thoughts and animals storm the Capitol, you'll watch C-SPAN for fun. Cause it's a fucking drag and it's crazy sad, but you'll do what's gotta be done. Are you really gonna save the world like that with your tits half out on Instagram? I mean, yeah, motherfucker, that was always the plan. I'm gonna wear this shit to Congress, man. So hop off my dick, cause this whole thing makes me feel sick. And you're mean to kids, why can't you just quit picking on them? Life and liberty, sometimes property, the right to try to feel good. Her heart is pure, the math checks out, so what's the move? And how could you do this when I learned my rights from you? Here's a little fact I cry all the time about the state and healthcare and the grand design. Sometimes it's sad, sometimes it's bittersweet, but it's how you'll know I'm me. And now gun control's a fucking icky problem. I don't know if anybody knows how to solve it, but if I were in Congress and someone shot up a school, I'd fucking cry about that too. And so my question is to you, are you really gonna save the world this way? Crying like a kid every single day? Hell yeah, motherfucker, I'm afraid it's true. People are in pain, what's wrong with you? So hop off my dick, your Nixon smile makes me fucking sick. You should be just as wrecked as I am, and pretty fucking angry that you're not. And when thoughts and animals storm the Capitol, you'll watch C-SPAN for fun. Cause it's a fucking drag and it's crazy sad, but you'll do what's gotta be done. The rules were life and liberty, sometimes property, the right to try to feel good. Her heart is pure, the math checks out, so what's the move? And why would you do this when I learned my rights from you? And when soft boys in their succulents and girls dressed to crack skulls take the capital and render its capital no, we'll all feel a bit more pumped and a bit less sad. Paint our shirts, say we're sorry, and call our dads. So this girl's out back behind the bar. She's a good girl, she called a car. You got 3 motherfuckers and a big white van, 2 dumb friends and 1 mean man. Well, she'll fucking kill you. She wins every fight, she's gonna rock your shit by the end of the night. And the only advantage that a killer has is they think they have the right. I listen to a lot of true crime, I listen to it at night. Sit together in hell, shaking, quaking, terrified that one day, somehow, some way, they might meet me. They took our girls away from home. They're in the woods, they're all alone. The ropes are heavy and the knots are tight, tied by a monster and his oblivious wife. Well, I hope this doesn't seem too impolite, but Ted Bundy was just never that fucking bright. He was just sorta charismatic and white, alright, and he was so fucking sure he had the right. But he's ugly, and I'm glad he's dead, cause there was no fucking candle